Hello, welcome to the class of PHP programming language. So today we are going to discuss about the inheritance in PHP. So here what is inheritance? So PHP class define optional inherit from a parent class from the parent class defined by using the extend clause. So to inherit the any of the class to the another class, we have to use the extend clause. So here you can see that the class bus extends vehicle. It means it inheriting the properties from this vehicle class. So here the effect of inheritance is that the child class has the following characteristics. So here the parent class is class vehicle and the child class is the class bus. So here its effects are like that. It automatically has all the member variable that are declared in the parent class, and it automatically has the same member function as the parent, which will work the same way as doing in the parent class. So here you can see that here I am defining in this program the class vehicle, and after that I am inheriting its properties in the another class, that is the child class, that is class bus. So here in class vehicle I am defining two functions and here I am creating these two functions publicly. So we will discuss about this SS specifier in another class. So here in first function I am defining the fuel of this vehicle. So print fuel amount, it will print the amount of the fuel. Whereas another function I am creating about the print capacity, the capacity of the vehicle. So here in vehicle fuel I am giving nothing with this, I am not displaying its value, and with capacity I am defining the capacity is 24. So now I am extending this vehicle class in the bus class. I want that these two functions must be in this class also, in child class. So again I am defining the public function, that is print fuel amount, because the amount which is used in bus for the fuel amount which will be in bus will be less than that vehicle. So here it will define the fuel amount in the bus. After that I am creating the vehicle object and the bus object, and the vehicle object is equal to new vehicle because it defining here the parent class, and bus here is defining the child class. So these are the two objects of the parent class, and this one is for the child class. So first of all, calling member function, the first parent class calling the member function, that is print fuel amount, and it will print the 300 liter. After that vehicle again calling the member function, that is print capacity, it will print the capacity of the vehicle. And another one is the bus will calling the member function print fuel amount, and it will print the 200 liter. And again bus is again calling the function, that is print capacity. But now see, here we haven't defined any of the function named as print capacity, so it is inheriting this property from the parent class. It is using the member function of the parent class, and it is calling the function of member this parent class, and it defining here by using this child class object name. So let's see how it will be displayed in the browser. For that you have to go to run project. So you can see that here first of all it's showing the first member function, that is calling the print fuel amount. So vehicle fuel amount is 300 liter and its capacity is 24, and the another child class it's again calling the print fuel amount function. So it's printing the 200 liter and its capacity is 24, because here it's called the print capacity, that is the function of the parent class. So in this way we can inherit the property of the parent class to the various bus classes. So this is all about inheritance in PHP. Thank you.